Pathshala. Hey there, little farmers and animal enthusiasts. Are you ready to explore the bustling world of the farm and meet some amazing animals along the way? Today, we're going to embark on an exciting adventure as we discover 16 wonderful farm animals. Each one with its own unique characteristics and charm. So, let's grab our imaginary overalls and boots, and let's dive into the fun. Cow. Cow. First up, let's visit the barnyard and say hello to the friendly cows. With their big brown eyes and swishing tails, cows are the gentle giants of the farm. These lovable creatures provide us with delicious milk and cheese, making them essential members of the farm family. Chicken. Chicken. Next, let's cluck our way over to the chicken coop and meet the busy chickens. With their fluffy feathers and cheerful clucks, chickens are always on the move, pecking for bugs and scratching for grains. These feathered friends give us nutritious eggs to enjoy for breakfast, making them a valuable part of the farm community. Pig. Pig. Now, who's ready to roll in the mud with the playful pigs? With their curly tails and snuffling snouts, pigs are some of the silliest and most endearing animals on the farm. These oinkers love to root around in the dirt and slurp up their favorite treats, leftovers from the kitchen. Sheep. Sheep. Moving on to the fluffy sheep, the woolly wonders of the farm. With their soft fleece and gentle bleats, sheep are a delight to behold as they graze in the pasture. These woolly creatures provide us with cozy wool to keep us warm in the winter, making them invaluable members of the farm family. Horse. Horse. Let's trot over to the stable and meet the majestic horses. With their strong hooves and flowing manes, horses are some of the most magnificent animals on the farm. These graceful creatures love to gallop and play in the fields, making them wonderful companions for riding and working. Duck. Duck. Now, who's ready to take a dip with the quacking ducks? With their webbed feet and waterproof feathers, ducks are perfectly suited for life on the farm pond. These cheerful waterfowl love to paddle and splash in the water, making them a delightful sight as they waddle around the pond. Rabbit. Rabbit. Let's hop over to the rabbit hutch and meet the cuddly bunnies. With their twitching noses and floppy ears, rabbits are some of the cutest and cuddliest creatures on the farm. These gentle herbivores love to hop and play in their cozy burrows, making them wonderful pets for cuddling and caring for. Buffalo. buffalo. Next, let's visit the prairies and say hello to the mighty buffalo. With their massive horns and shaggy coats, buffalo are some of the largest and most iconic animals in North America. These majestic creatures once roamed the plains in vast herds, and although their numbers have dwindled, they still hold a special place in our hearts and history. Cat. Next, let's curl up with our feline friends and meet the playful cats. With their soft fur and curious whiskers, cats are beloved companions in homes around the world. These independent creatures love to explore, nap in sunny spots, and curl up on laps for a cozy cuddle. Dog. Now, who's ready to wag their tails with excitement and meet the loyal dogs? With their wagging tails and boundless energy, dogs are known as man's best friend for good reason. These faithful companions come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny terriers to towering Great Danes, and they're always there to greet us with a wag and a lick. Goat. Next, we'll climb the rocky hills and meet the adventurous goats. With their nimble hooves and mischievous grins, goats are always on the lookout for tasty snacks and new adventures. These curious creatures love to climb and explore, making them a joy to watch as they play in the pasture. Donkey. Moving on to the barn, let's meet the helpful donkeys. With their long ears and sturdy backs, donkeys are hard-working animals on the farm. These loyal companions help with tasks like carrying loads and pulling carts, making them valuable members of the farm team. Bull. Next, let's meet the powerful bulls. With their muscular bodies and imposing horns, bulls are some of the strongest animals on the farm. These magnificent creatures play an important role in breeding and maintaining the health of the herd, and they're always ready to protect their territory and family. Rooster. Now, let's cock-a-doodle-doo with the roosters. With their vibrant plumage and distinctive crowing calls, roosters are the early risers of the barnyard. These proud birds strut around the coop, keeping watch over their flock and announcing the arrival of a new day with their loud crowing. Swan. Let's quack our way over to the pond and meet the serene swans. With their graceful necks and elegant movements, swans are some of the most majestic birds on the farm. These beautiful birds glide across the water with ease, adding a touch of elegance to the farm landscape. Turkey. Now, who's ready to strut with the strutting turkeys? With their colorful plumage and distinctive gobbling calls, turkeys are a sight to behold on the farm. These festive birds are famous for their role in Thanksgiving feasts and other holiday celebrations. Cow, chicken, pig, sheep, horse, duck, rabbit, buffalo, cat, dog, goat, donkey, bull, rooster, swan, turkey. So, there you have it, young farmers, 16 amazing farm animals that make the farm such a magical place. Whether we're mooing with the cows, clucking with the chickens, or oinking with the pigs, there's a whole world of wonder waiting to be discovered on the farm. So, let's grab our boots and hats and embark on this exciting adventure together. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.